Hey guys, Chef George Duran here. I know it's going to be a different type of Easter this year, but that doesn't mean that you can't make the meals very special. In fact, if you're looking for a tasty and balanced meal in a convenient bite-sized form, then check out the BB Mandu. I feel comfort knowing that whenever I want, I can pull these from my freezer and make my family really happy. It's similar to a dumpling, and it's the ultimate convenience of having a complete nutritious meal all in one bite. You can take the mandu and pan fry them, or for a healthier alternative, go ahead and steam them. You want to pop them into that soup? Sure, you can do that too. You know what I love about Bibigo Mandu is that they are loaded with high quality meat, diced vegetables, all in one tasty noodle wrapper. Top them with these go gochujang sauces like sweet and spicy or even barbecue. Bibigo offers beef and chicken mandu as well as frozen wonton varieties of every kind. And best of all, you can find them in bulk at your local Costco, BJ's, Walmart right now. Check them out at bbgousa.com. Okay, so a lot of friends are asking me what is the one ingredient I always have to have this day and age in my fridge or freezer. Well, I always tell them that a good quality protein is really important to have. In fact, when that quality protein happens to be America's #1 double smoked ham from Kentucky Legends, that's right. I feel confident that I can make almost anything taste good. And what I love about Kentucky Legend hams is that they're ready to just eat and eat. In fact, as Easter approaches, you can choose from any of these three sizes, depending on the size of your family. And don't forget to glaze that ham, as it adds the perfect sweetness combination with the double smoked flavor. And best of all, these hams freeze beautifully, and you're able to actually keep them freshly frozen for many, many months right here in your own freezer. So that if at any moment you want to pull out and make a sandwich, or you want to make a a Spanish tortilla, that's right, you can do that right away. This is a Spanish tortilla that I make for breakfast usually, and it's laid with potatoes inside of the egg, and I put a ton of Kentucky Legend ham inside of it. But what I love about this recipe is that I can serve it for breakfast, lunch, even pair it with a nice salad and serve it for dinner. You can be slightly creative with all these ingredients and really make a special meal out of it for Easter or for any occasion. If you like any of these ingredients and you want to find out more about these recipes, check out dailylounge.com. Stay safe, everyone.